Hey guys, this is Amy with Hailbound and Sublimation and more. And in this quick video tutorial, I'm just going to show you guys how to use our new vintage zip code ornament digital template. And with this digital template, you'll get 4 different backgrounds. So we have a brick background, we have a light gray wood background, we have a rustic wood background, and to the far bottom over here on the right, we have like a light wood background. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to come over here, and this is the gray. This is the gray one that's showing first. Now over here on the left, on the right, I'm sorry, is all of your layers. So I have the safe layer turned off. We're going to start there. If I turn it on, you can see that everything that I've designed is within the safe layer. I'm going to turn that back off. You can leave the border or turn it off by simply clicking on the eye. If you're new to Photoshop, if you click on the eye next to any of the layers, it'll turn your layer on and off. Okay. Same for the text. Okay. So with this, you can edit the cities and the state. So let's say I want to name the state to, let's just say California, C-A-L-I. Make sure I spell that right. And if it's too big, we can just resize it. You can highlight it and change the size to 15 and see if that works. There we go. And we're just going to put the city here. And we're going to call it San Diego. Oops. And again, this one's too big, so we're just going to highlight the whole text and make it 15 so that they're kind of the same. You could even edit home if you don't want it there. The trees, if you don't want the trees there, you can just turn it off. If you want to place something else there, we can do that as well. I'm going to go place embedded, and I think I have a little camper here. So we're just going to wait for that to import real quick. Might take a second. Come on. Well, I guess it doesn't want to go. Ah, there we go. It's just really big. All right. So I'm just going to hit enter to get it there. And now we're just going to drag, excuse me, we're going to drag in one corner. And we're just going to try to make it as small as possible. And you can put like a little camper down there. So that looks cute. I may have distorted it, so I'm going to stretch it back in a little bit. And it's going to take a minute. And I don't know why this little camper file is so big. All right. Okay. So as you can see, I have the camper down there. So that's cute. So you can add whatever you want to the bottom if you want to. I'm going to go back and add the trees there. All right. So for the zip code, you can see I've got some FX settings applied to it. You can play with those if you want, but you could be able to change the zip code very easily. And oops, by just clicking, backspacing, or typing in my case, 76137. So there you go. So you can change that. Now, if you click on any of these FX effects, it brings up the FX, and you can turn off the strokes, you can turn off the bezel, or you can change the settings or add more settings. We're not going to go into that. You can play with that yourself if you want. Christmas can be removed or edited as well as 2022. So let me show you the other settings. So down here, now that we went through all this, you see some folders down here. All right, so the gray folder, I have the eye on. If I turn that gray folder off, now you see the next one, which is the light wood. And as you can see, I've made the zip code to kind of match and blend in with the light wood. You can turn off the eye there. And now you're going to see the rustic wood. And same for this with the zip code. And then if we turn off that one, you can see the brick version. So you get 3 really nice backgrounds to go with this to make it easier for you. And again, you must have Photoshop to be able to use the folders that I have organized the backgrounds in, because you want to be able to expand them like I'm doing over here to the right. I'm just expanding them so you can see the settings and all that good stuff. So you can see that the zip code settings also have some FX applied to it as well. Alrighty, so that is it. Once you're done, then you just go and print it out, and it should be that easy for you guys. I appreciate y'all watching, and the links to purchase this digital template that also goes with our marquee MDF ornament blanks will be in the description of the video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.